Hello everyone, and in today's video let's take a closer look at Star200 from a company called CaTeFo. It is a wireless microphone system that lets you vlog to the camera even if you are 60 meters away from it. If you want to vlog with your camera, have better audio quality and you are looking for something lightweight, then this accessory might be really interesting for you. In fact, everything that you are just hearing right now comes from this little microphone. So how does it sound? You know, no matter what camera you can have GoPro, DSLR, smartphone, etc. Sooner or later you discover that if you want to have the best audio quality out of it, then you need to connect an external microphone to it. So inside of the package there are quite a lot of accessories here, as we get one audio receiver that can be mounted on top of your camera, two audio transmitters that send your voice back to the receiver, two lavalier microphones if you want to be more discreet. We also get two dead cats to stop the wind blowing into your microphones, a couple of cables so you can connect it to GoPro, DSLR, smartphone, etc. and three USB-C charging cables to charge all of that. And lastly, they include a little carry case for storage and protection. So everything is in one place, which is really nice. So the way this accessory works is very simple. The audio receiver can be mounted on top of your camera thanks to a cold shoe mount. Just plug the cable into the microphone jack and it's done. And now you take the audio transmitter and clip it to your t-shirt or other part of your clothing. What this device does is basically listening to your voice and it sends it back to the receiver, which is on top of your camera. Since there are two of them in the package, you can basically use them by two people at the same time. Or you can use it obviously as a backup just in case you run out of battery or something. Alright guys, so let's put this microphone to a test. I'm on a windy day next to the ocean, walking along the beach, so these are gonna be pretty challenging conditions for this microphone, and we're gonna compare it to the internal microphones from GoPro. So right now you're listening to the standard microphone from GoPro, so how does it sound? And right now you're listening to CaTeFo Star200, so how does it sound? Let me know about it in the comment section below. Alright, so according to CaTeFo, this wireless microphone has around 60 meters operating range. So let's quickly test it. So I'm going to be moving away from the cameras just to give you an idea what you can expect from this microphone. Obviously, I don't expect you to use this microphone in such a way, but since you want to simply try it out, why not? Yeah, so I'm moving further away. Yeah, I'm probably like at least 30 meters away from the camera. Whew, I'm so far away, I think like at least 50 or 60 meters by now. So by now I'm around, I don't know, 70, 80 meters away from the camera. I wonder if there's still audio. Alright, so I'll stop for now. So if you can still hear me, that's impressive. So honestly, what I like about this product is that it doesn't require to be used with any cables. It's just the audio transmitter by itself sending that voice to the receiver. And on top of that, it's so lightweight that I can barely feel that I have anything in there. However, if you want, you can connect a lavalier microphone to the audio transmitter and clip it to your t-shirt. This thing gonna be a little bit more discreet, so you're not gonna draw unnecessary attention to yourself. But you know, the audio quality that's coming from this lavalier microphone is not really that great. I think it's even worse than what we got from internal microphones from the audio transmitter, so I don't really recommend it. So I feel like I need to add two things more about it. You see, when I'm walking with this microphone, notice that you cannot see anything at the top of the frame because this microphone is so small. Besides, what I really like about it is that because it's wireless, I can have it close to my mouth, which gives me the best audio quality. and I don't have to point the camera at me. I can move it around. Notice that I can aim it at any direction I want. I can even show you what's in front of me, and notice that the audio quality stays exactly the same. Can you see how much the trees are moving right now? Oh, believe me, it's a really strong wind, really windy day. I'm not sure if you can hear it because I'm recording this video using a dead cat. This thing in here is supposed to stop the wind from getting into the microphones. So how does it sound? This thing is included in the package, by the way, so that's really nice. The only thing that I don't like about it is that on the side of it you have volume control, and there are 16 levels of loudness in it. But since there is no screen or anything else, you have no idea which level you're on and have to listen to your audio. Alright guys, so this is what Star200 from CaTeFo has to offer. And this accessory comes into two variants, because you can have T1 version, which comes with only one transmitter, and it costs around $129. If you want, you can decide for T2 version, which is a little bit more expensive. It comes with two audio transmitters, but it costs $179 from what I remember. Honestly, it's a little bit expensive, but if you only need one transmitter and you're not gonna vlog with any other person, then T1 gonna cost you around $129, so it's acceptable. And believe me, one audio transmitter is probably all that you ever need. Alright guys, so for today's video, that's it. Hopefully you liked it and you learned something from it. And if you want to vlog with your GoPro, let me know what you think about this setup. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.